So now we will discuss cyclotron. Cyclotron is a mission to accelerate of charged particle or ions. So here both high energies of electric field and magnetic field combinations. Electric field and magnetic field combinations. It is a cyclotron. So cyclotron uses the fact the frequency of revolution of charged particle in the magnetic field. Magnetic field independent of high energies. Here centrifugal force is produce the magnetic field, that is a mv square by r equal to bqv. So we cancel. So mv r equal to bq. So r equal to mv by r. So radius of the particle. This is the radius of the particle. Next, time period of the particle mv omega equal to bqv. So we cancel. Omega equal to bq by m. So here omega equal to 2 pi n equal to bq by m. So n is equal to bq by 2 pi m. So frequency of the particle. So time period of the particle 2 pi m by bq. So T is equal to 2 pi m by time period of the particle. Okay. Here velocity of the particle. So P bar equal to mv. So here mv square by r equal to bqv. So we cancel. mv by r equal to bq. So here v is equal to bq r by m. So p bar equal to m into bq r by m. So m cancel. Moment of particle bq r. So p bar equal to bq r. So kinetic energy of the particle. So p bar equal to bq r. Kinetic energy of the particle k is equal to half mv square. So k is equal to half m into bq r by m whole square. So k is equal to half m into b square q square r square by m square. So here cancel. That is a p square by 2m. Here p bar equal to bqr, p square by 2m. This cyclotron radius and the momentum, kinetic energy, so velocity. So magnetic field of moving charges. Magnetic field of moving charges. Suppose here charge at rest, observer inertial frame. Charge at rest, observer inertial frame. Here only electric field acting on. That is equal to E bar equal to. So charge at rest. Okay, observer inertial frame. Only here electric field acting on, and radius vector r bar, that is a 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r cube r cap. The first equation. So charge at a motion, observer in inertial frame, both electric field and magnetic field attains here. So here v bar is a magnetic field at point P and charge from the r distance, q charge r distance. So velocity of the charge v bar. Okay, here v bar equal to mu naught by 4 pi q by r cube into v bar cross r bar. V bar cross r bar, this second equation. So mu naught by 4 pi q by r cube v bar cross r bar. So this is the v bar is a resultant of v bar cross r bar, mutually perpendicular from v bar cross r bar. Okay. So here right hand screw rule, v bar plus r bar, cross product. This is v bar, this is r bar. So v bar equal to mu naught by 4 pi q by r cube. So v r sin theta. So r cancel. So v bar equal to mu naught by 4 pi qv sin theta. Equation 3. Here theta equal to 0 or 180. Theta equal to 0 or 180. So theta equal to 0 degrees or 180 degrees. V bar also 0. V minimum. So theta equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Sin 90. Sin 90 equal to 1. Sin 90 equal to 1. That equation. So v bar equal to v maximum. V bar equal to mu naught by 4 pi qv. qv. Mu naught by 4 pi qv. So that is equal to v maximum equal to mu naught 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into qv by 4 pi. So 4 by 4 pi cancel, 10 power minus 7. So v maximum equal 10 power minus 7 qv. 7 qv. Force between the moving charges.